Hey guys, Doge Master 54, and happy whatever I'm gonna post this on. But first off, I want to say happy New Year's or Christmas, and please subscribe to my channel. That's all I ask. And now I'm gonna get to serious business. So I have been in a car crash, and some people know, and not a lot of people know, but now you probably know. So my mom was driving the car, and I'm not certain where it was, but there was S curves. If you don't know what that is, it's like an S curve. So like this, it goes like this, and the other way it's just the same, but another direction. So the guy, I'm in the front seat, and my mom does this, like kind of like a dab, but not right here, but down. So he hits us. I have my seatbelt on. Always wear your seatbelt. Saying that now. I was leaning back like this, like where I am right now. The car jolted me forward. My mom, this is her hand, stopped me right here from hitting the airbag. Then my mom, she did this. So she got a big bruise right here. And the steering wheel broke. It was a head-on accident. The guy that hit us was probably a drunk driver or doing drugs. I'm not saying what type of drugs, but we're not sure yet. So, and it wasn't actually his car, so that also. And then we got, and the car was not drivable anymore, and just really, and then I've been having anxiety. And if you don't know what anxiety means, it means like, to say you've just been in a car crash like I just did, and you're okay, everybody's fine. I'm kind of telling what I did. So, so say you're having anxiety, then you're okay. Then you're probably having stress, like, where it's like, what would happen, like here's like something like stressful that could have happened. What happened if I didn't be safe? What happened if I didn't wear my seatbelt? What happened if blah blah blah? All that stuff and nonsense. And so that's what, and anxiety, it's just been crazy. It's a lot of people have it in different ways. And it's crazy how people do that. So, I'm trying to say something. If you have anxiety, right here and right now, you're okay. Trust me. I've done it for at least the past 3 weeks. And this happened not today, not yesterday. It happened in November, and I was just traumatized after that. And I'm just saying now, if say one of your family members died in a car accident, I know it's stressful, then you're probably have counseling. I'm not saying that now, but here's like pro tips about it, and trust me, I've learned it from a pro. So the first one is you breathe in through your nose and then breathe out with your mouth. The other one is like you do like a non-stop loop. You can do loops, and I mostly do the infinity sign. Like this, you get the back of your hand. It's kind of hard like doing this. So you kind of do like that. Or you can get a pencil or paper and do it like this. But if I'm saying anything, it is have a wonderful day. Have a holly jolly Christmas, I swear. If you don't celebrate Christmas, happy Hanukkah and all that stuff. And please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye!